It's the one card to rule them all. The card that claims to be the only one you need in your wallet. So of course I had to try it out. In this video, I'll be unboxing the latest addition to my wallet, the supposed solution to my 1,423 debit and credit cards, the all-in-one Curve card. Let's take a look. Curve is the all-in-one money app and card that allows you to use and manage all your different credit, debit and loyalty cards from one place. To set it up, you'll need to add all of your different cards to your Curve account, pick a default payment card, and then start using your Curve card for your everyday spending. The standard account is free to use and comes with loads of cool perks, like the ability to earn 1% cashback at selected retailers for your first 30 days, plus additional personalised cashback offers up to 20%, as well as competitive exchange rates when travelling abroad. The two features that really caught my attention, however, are Curve's trademark Go Back in Time and Anti-Embarrassment Mode features. Go Back in Time allows you to go back and switch payments from one card to another if, for example, you accidentally paid using the wrong card, or you want to move a payment from a debit to a credit card to spread the cost of a purchase. And you've got a whole 30 days to make the old switcheroo, which makes this feature super flexible around your spending. With Anti-Embarrassment Mode, you'll never have to worry about your card declining again. If, for whatever reason, your default payment card gets declined, the app will automatically try your backup card, so you're not caught like a deer in headlights trying to convince the cashier that you're actually very rich and this never happens. You can read our full Curve review by clicking this link here at the end of the video. For now, let's take a look inside the envelope. Inside the envelope, Curve is all business. Your Curve card comes attached to this A4 letter, which at the bottom details the 3 steps you need to take to set up your new card. The standard free account comes in this metallic blue colour, which I'm definitely a fan of. At first I thought this was a numberless card, but after a super quick inspection, it turns out you can find all of your card details on the back of the card, as well as in the app behind a password or Face ID protected area. As I mentioned before, this little link up here will take you straight to our full Curve review on finder.com for even more info about Curve, its premium paid for accounts, pros and cons and safety features. You can also check out our full Curve video review by clicking the first link under extra resources in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks for watching.